What's up, guys? This is Freaks Ritual. I got another flashlight review for you guys. This is the Klarus G10. I believe it's a new model from Klarus. It's 1800 lumens, as you can see. Alright. It's compact, dual switch, super bright, rechargeable flashlight. This thing is a beast, I'm telling you. Alright. I'm just showing you the box. 1800 lumens, 250 meter beam, 250 meters beam distance, max runtime of 170 hours, 15,600 candela, 1 meter impact resistant, and IPX8 waterproof. That's 6 feet underwater. Alright, as you can see, turbo is 1800, like I said. High is 400, 4 hours. The turbo is 1 hour. Medium is 100 for 14 hours. That's really good. Low is 10 hours for 170 hours. Strobe is 1800 lumens for 2 hours. SOS is 100 lumens for 38 hours. That makes sense in case you're in messed up situation. Alright, even shows the candela for 400 lumens is 3000 candela, medium is 900 candela, low is 80 candela. Alright, high is 400 lumens for a beam distance of 110 meters. Medium is 60 meters for 100 lumens. The 10 lumens is 18 meters. And then the turbo is 250 meters. Alright, so let's just take this out, see what you got in the box. It's a really dope light. Money is worth it, because you know what? Let me show you. Alright, it comes with the holster. Alright, you get a micro USB. Is this micro? Yeah, it's micro. USB charger. Alright. Get your lanyard and your spare O-rings, so that's a plus. Alright, this is a high quality holster. It's really good. You get your little carabiner thing. Alright, but hold on. There's your manual, G10. Alright. If you want to read that, pause it. It is running at Xhp35 HDE4. So it's going to be a little floody. It's not the high. Alright, let's take a look at your Pride and Joy. It does come with this attached to the clip once you get it, and that's what it says. Oh, that's in Chinese. Alright. That will help you. It does have a lockout feature. We'll get in with the user interface in a second, but look at this bad boy. Alright. That's your USB port. There's your LED. Got an orange pair reflector. That's gonna be for a little flood. It'll be a little floody, but there'll be some throw. Alright, once you plug it in, I forget what color it changes. I think it's red if it's battery's low. I think it should turn to green or blue. Well, that's how it looks. It does taro stand perfectly. It is AR coating. Alright, I'm going to show you the battery. And this is a beefy battery, man. You could tell there's quality right in this once you feel it. Just by feel you could tell how good it is. And it's heavy. This is the head of it. Let me see if you can see in the tube. Hold on. I always carry this puppy. This is a XT11 GT. Oh, see the inside of this. It's kind of hard. That's inside the barrel. Alright. $3,600 milliamp hour. That's the model of the battery, 18GT36. Alright, let's take a look at the interface, user interface. I don't have a power bank, or I'd show you the charging. Alright, it's quite simple. Alright, this is why I love this light so much. The Taro cap is so silent when you push it. It's a little PWM. I wouldn't think this light would have that. That's one negative. But all you do is click. That's how you get to your next mode. You hold it down, turns it off, double tap, gets you to strobe, double tap again, gets you to SOS, double tap again, gets you to some other, actually I think it's just SOS. Yeah. So turn it back off. Now let's go with this. Same thing, just click to your next mode. I guess the lower mode has the PWM. See, I didn't know this light would have that. That's weird. Alright. But other than that, all the rest of the modes you're good. Double tap again for strobe. Double tap again. Oh, double tap again for SOS. Hold it. And then the good thing about this light, once you hold it down, you get momentary turbo. Ooh, turn it on. Hold on, let me turn it off. So you get your momentary once you need it. And then once you hold this, same thing, momentary. Then it turns off. Momentary, turn off. Alright guys, I'm about to take this bad boy offside and show you the performance. I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I forgot to mention one important piece. Alright. The lockout mode is you hit the side switch and the tail clicky at the same time, and that's where we'll put it on lockout mode. Hold on, let me put it on. It was already in lockout mode. Alright, you see? Let me turn it off. Now you hit both switches. There you go, it's in lockout mode, so now when you hit it, it's not going to accidentally turn on. I hit the tail switch. So there you go. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute. We're going to take this bad boy outside. Let me mention this real quick too. When you when you have it in low and you see the PWM, when it's real bad PWM, the whole entire screen will be flickering. Right now it's only flickering right where it's shining and not the whole screen. So at least it's not the whole screen and it's just this, because you could just always put in a higher setting, so should be good to go. That's the only downfall is this, but other than that, this is a beautiful light. Alright guys, I'll see you outside. Peace. Back, about to show you the Beamshot footage with the Klarus G10. Alright, this is low mode. I think it is, hold on. See the tiny bit of PWM, it's not bad. Well, this is the low mode. I'm gonna ramp it up in a second. Hold on. Let's ramp it up. This thing is a beauty. Alright, let's ramp it up. Look at that. It's like 3:30 in the morning, I think. So nobody's gonna bother me here. See that? I don't think it's high enough. So let's ramp it up one more time. Booyah. I gotta look out for coyotes. Alright. This thing's a beauty. Holy crap. I love this light. Alright, back to low. Ramp it up. Ramp it up. Ramp it up. Look at that. Alright, let's take a little walk. See, it's running the Xhp35 HDE4, so I think it's a newer one. Or it's not that new. It's been out for a little while. Alright, Let's lower it. Let's do this one more time. Ramp it up. Let's ramp it up again. Ramp it up one more time. Booyah. Oh shit, I think I see some eyes over there. If I get eaten alive, y'all gonna be my witness. See something glowing. I hope they're not eyes. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. Alright guys, I'm walking back because I don't want to get eaten alive, but hope you guys like my beam footage. Until next, oh, just so you guys know, there is mode memory. So, alright, let me show you. I don't know if I said it in the review. I should have, but hold up. Turn it off. Hold on. It should have mode memory. Maybe it doesn't. Oh no, I think it comes on at low, and you have your, see when I turn it off? Hold up, let me see. You got your momentary turbo. Let me try the switch. Yeah, you got mode memory with your switch, so you're good. Alright. Alright guys, till next time, peace.